This one, Ate, why big?
Don't give big.
This one is the hugest.
This one, Papa. That one, Tambi.
Which one's the smallest?
Because you're having the coffee.
The chicken burger.
Capybara. On stage ni Anushka.
What? Ice cream?
Are you done, Anushka?
Ice cream?
Yeah.
Get a little bit. Right? You want to right?
Try it.
What I can do. Right.
Papa, thank you. Only shopping everything. No, I asked to get the ice cream. Take lah. Papa, thank you.
That's all? Ice cream? What else?
Are you done, Anushka?
Ice cream?
Yeah.
Get a little bit. Right? You want to right?
Try it.
What I can do. Right.
Only shopping everything. No, I asked to get the ice cream. Take lah. I think Anushka.
Also, Papa.
Oh, okay. Ala, grabe naman eh. Oy.
I have to keep this one.
I'll
Hindi pwede sa akin yan. Mga kuko na yan.
enough. Choco. What you are doing? Okay, enough. Hold properly.
No, it's
Give me some, Mama. I want to taste.
It's Japanese. You cannot have it. Is that the pork? What is that?
Ito yung sa akin.
Tita.
Hey, give me my rice. I want rice.
Anak kayo ng mga Pilipino ka to.
Rice. Where is the pork?
This one, your madam. The Almighty.
I don't want coffee.
Yes, mine. This one is, I like this kind of vegetables. What do you call these vegetables?
I want fish.
Vegetable.
Sprout. Something like
Spanish.
sprout.
But can I have
Spanish,
fish?
Wait, share with your brother because that is too much for you.
Too much for you,
You
ate.
don't finish also, you have to take it out.
Tapi, I will take.
You have to take away.
Pieces.
Thanks, Papa Jingjing, for the blanja
Sudah lah.
and for the unlimited grocery. See, the maldito over there.
We will always
Sudah lah.
remember you lang.
Yeah. Bye. Thank you. Arigato. Ay, hindi pa pala nagbayad. Hindi pa pa. Ana, magkuha ka pares ka. May award sila, oh. Best Outlet 2012.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Mochi-mochi. Whatever.
You always hate the bird one.
Oh, na.
What's this?
No problem. Si Anushka. Big stone, eh. There, Legoland is there.
Ice. You saw inside.
There? Iceland?
Not in Legoland.
No, no, no. Mm. Curry puff. You're coming here just to want to buy curry puff. Ah. Take something good lah.
Curry puff. I want
Hot Milo?
curry puff.
Out of
Okay,
stock.
order now.
Our boss. Another boss.
Take for plate. Take photo. Easy.
With apa cincin.